We like to keep our nighttime routine as simple as possible, so here are a few key steps.
Hi, I'm Ingrid.
And I'm Emily. We are beauty experts and co-founders of the T-Zone.
Your PM skincare routine should always start with freshly cleansed skin. Selecting the right cleanser for your skin concern is key.
Yeah, so if you have acne or oily prone skin, you really want to go for something that's more of a gel-based cleanser versus dry or dehydrated or mature skin can benefit from using something that's more of a balm or a milky texture.
Turn to concentrated formulas of active ingredients. My concern is hyperpigmentation, so I'll look for a targeted brightening treatment that contains vitamin C. It will help minimize discolorations and brighten my skin tone.
If you have breakouts, you want to look for something that has salicylic acid. It's going to help curb inflammation, but also help clear out those congested pores. Personally, I have textured skin that also has some fine lines, so I always look to have a retinol on hand. It helps to boost cell turnover, but it also helps to stimulate collagen production.
Regardless of your skincare concern, capping off your nighttime routine with a moisturizer is a must. After applying your targeted treatment, always apply a night cream or a sleeping mask. Night-night! You're still smiling, sorry.